Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a trending AI photo effect called Dramatic Paint Portrait using Gemini Nano Banana. This new feature from Google will let you transform your photo into a cinematic painting instantly with just one prompt. So let's jump right in. First, just open your Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or through the app like this. And then if you haven't logged in yet, just log in using your Google account and then just tap on create image to activate the Nano Banana, or you can also activate it by tap on tools icon and then create images like this. And then next, just upload your photo. It could be a selfie or portrait or any image that you want to turn into an AI painting, and then make sure your face is visible and clear for the best result. Next, just tap on plus button, this one, and then gallery, and then just choose your photo. And then next, let's come the fun part. Let's writing a prompt. Before, I have already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy it, but feel free if you want to tweak the prompt, like maybe change the details or change the background and many more. Just feel free to tweak it as you like. And then if you wanna copy my prompt, you can just screenshot it and then just copy it to your prompt box like this. And then next I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it, and when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this, in just a few seconds your new image is done. Just look at this, it's like a digital oil painting. The brush textures, the lighting, and the deep emotions, it's giving total dramatic paint vibes. And okay, maybe that's it, your own dramatic paint AI portrait made completely free with Gemini Nano Banana. It's super easy and it looks so professional enough for a profile picture or even maybe a print. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.